Hello guys, welcome to another Asus Transformer Prime video. This is another great applications video. So it's for any Android device, but I'm particularly looking at a tablet application today. And that application is TED Conferences. TED stands for Technology, Entertainment and Design, and it's a series of presentations, discussions and talks on a variety of topics from professional bodies and people, and it's a very educational, very entertaining, very informative series of presentations. So I will show you the application as it works. If I just press into it, it will take us straight into the application, and what I love about this is, as you can see, it's really formatted for the tablet, which you can scroll down and look at various different presentations here. These are all the new ones. Obviously the most popular or new ones are at the top. I can simply change to the popular ones and have a look at them. Lots of different talks. At this point I want to stress that although TED stands for Technology, Entertainment and Design, don't let that fool you into thinking that this is just a technology and geek sort of platform. It covers a massive variety of topics, and it's highly educational, and they go to lots of universities and do talks, so it's a good place to gain knowledge about essentially any topic. If we look at random, we have the power of introverts, so that's obviously something to do with psychology. Another one here, the single biggest health threat, so obviously to do with health issues. I built a nuclear fusion reactor one down here, so that's obviously about science, and I could go on and on and on. The point to stress is that there is something here for absolutely everyone. There's far too many here for me to really pick one at random, so I could always narrow down my search, and I'm going to narrow down my search straight away, and let's put in, for example, Facebook, and see what results comes back. As you can see, very quick, very snappy, and it's given us a range of talks here, and I can choose one of them. Let's choose a random one, and as you can see again, it loads up very quickly, gives you a little bit of information about the talk itself, related themes and topics, so we can move on to something else if we wanted to, and also I guess a series of talks that would take us onto something else. I'll quickly load up the video and show you how snappy it does this. And there we are, straight into a talk, and the Asus Transformer Prime has the opportunity to show off its good resolution screen. It's 1200 by 800 resolution to show you the talk, and as you can see, it's going straight into it. Each talk varies from about 20 minutes to 10 minutes, 10 minutes to 20 minutes. I think there can be some longer ones, but as you can see, this woman's off straight into her talk, and I can quickly move it on to another part, and there it is, quickly sinking onto another part. So all very quick and very good. A couple of options we have here. I believe we could download this if we wanted to, download this talk as a high quality or low quality. Not sure my screen can pick that up, but those are your options. I can bookmark this and read it, watch it later if I wanted to, or I could also share it with all the applications that I have on my tablet. We just go back to the main screen, which should get me there eventually. I can now look at the talks that I've bookmarked, and I believe I've bookmarked 2 of them now. I could also have a look at my downloads, and looking at all talks, we can actually have a look at the different options on this side. Lots of different topics, and looking at quickly how many topics there are and how many presentations, I would say you're looking at easily 1,000 different talks and presentations there. So there'll be something for everybody to enjoy. One more feature, you also have the listen button there, so there are lots of I suppose podcasts that you would have the opportunity to listen to well, and I think it's loading one down at the bottom now, and it's actually just playing one. Not sure if it's done that at random or not, but an instant play option there. So that's a quick look at TED. I highly recommend it as something to perhaps occupy you while you're having lunch, or you have maybe 20 minutes before you want to go to bed. This is a perfect thing to use. And the reason why I've picked this particular app out on the Android is it's the first application that's actually felt like a iPad application in its smoothness and snappiness. Everything just works very simply and very quickly, and often you don't find that on Android applications. Perhaps this is because this is a direct port from the iPad to the Android, and if so, that's a very good thing, because in a recent application I showed you Zite, which did not transfer well from iPad to Android in its tablet format. So I can't recommend this application enough, and of course it is free. So thanks for watching everyone, and I will see you again soon in another episode.